Good morning, guys. Today we've got here OnePlus Nord 4 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select System and Update, mark Backup and Reset, and here mark Backup under Google Backup. So all you have to do is to mark data that you want to backup. So in my case it's everything, photos and videos, along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, or messages. Then mark confirm, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see here, you've got your backup status, so for both photos and videos and other device data, it's on. Click on manage backup if you want to manage it however you like and do whatever you need. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.